Few things are more annoying than sitting down to watch Netflix and finding it won't work on your smart TV. Whether it's stuck loading, not opening, crashing, or showing errors, the problem can feel confusing. The good news is, you don't need a technician for most of these issues. In this video, I'll guide you through simple troubleshooting steps, beginning with basic fixes and gradually moving to deeper settings, helping you restore Netflix and get back to watching in minutes. Let's begin with the basic troubleshooting steps that often fix the problem right away. Start by power cycling your smart TV. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the power socket. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This helps clear temporary glitches that can stop apps from loading properly. After that, restart your modem and router by unplugging them from power, waiting a short moment, and plugging them back in so your internet connection refreshes fully. Once everything reconnects, check the network status on your TV to confirm it's connected to the internet. Next, test Netflix on another device like your phone or computer using the same account. If it works there, you know the issue is likely with the TV or the app. Before moving on, open Netflix on your TV, sign out completely, then sign back in and try again. Now that we've covered the basics, let's focus on fixing the Netflix app itself. First, check if there's an update available for the Netflix app and install it if you see one, because outdated apps are a very common cause of loading and playback issues. If the problem continues, go into your TV's app settings and clear the Netflix cache or app data to remove corrupted temporary files. After clearing it, fully close the app and reopen it. If Netflix still doesn't work, uninstall the app from your smart TV, restart the TV once, then reinstall Netflix from the App Store. At this point, if one of these steps has already helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes like this. Next, let's look at smart TV system-level fixes that directly affect how Netflix runs. Go into your TV settings and check for a system software or firmware update, and install it if available. Outdated TV software can cause compatibility issues with streaming apps like Netflix. After updating, reset the Smart Hub or app settings if your TV supports this feature, as it refreshes how apps load and behave. Also, double-check that the date and time settings on your TV are set to automatic, because incorrect time settings can prevent Netflix from connecting to its servers properly. Now let's talk about common Netflix-specific problems you might be seeing on your smart TV. If Netflix gets stuck on the loading screen, the steps we've already covered usually fix it. If Netflix opens but videos won't play, it's often related to app data or internet stability. If the app keeps crashing or freezing, updating both the app and the TV software usually solves the issue. If Netflix shows connection, region, or compatibility errors, going through the basic and system fixes is still the best approach. Sometimes the problem is not technical. You may see a Netflix verification or household message, which means your account needs to be confirmed on that TV. If Netflix works on your phone but not on your TV, the issue is likely with the TV or the Netflix app. Also, some older smart TVs are no longer supported by Netflix, so the app may stop working. If nothing works, you can try a factory reset on your TV, but only as a last option because it removes all settings and accounts. If Netflix still doesn't work, contact Netflix support for help. I hope these steps helped you fix the issue. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, and share in the comments what worked for you.